Yeah, it's a very amazing everyone there. If you want to call this today, I'm super excited. This is Samuel Benson here, and today we are going to look at how to research the CPA market. In case you are new to CPA marketing is a kind of market is simply mean cost per action. So today we are going to look at how to research the CPA market. Now you are new to CPA marketing. So what I'm saying is you are going to research. You're going to go. I'm going to show you how to research the CPA market, and we are going to look at four bigger brothers in the CPA business that we're going to research. So the first one we're going to research, you're going to look at the big boys in the CPA business. It's called Offerbot. You can see on my screen, I just highlighted it, Offerbot. So today we're going to look at Offerbot. So what's Offerbot? Exclusive offer and highest payout. So affiliates are pretty much to search for offers. So you can see here, enter term to search offers. So you can search for offers, and now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to click on affiliate offers. Then it will load and give us the pop-ups. Yes, so that's a pop-up. So if you look inside, these are some of the affiliate offers on the market. Like you can see here, eyelashes is one of the affiliate offer. The PR is $49. It's pretty much crazy. We have another CPA offer here, Amazon Music Germany. The Amazon Music, the country that you are targeting here is Germany, and it's an Android app. So when once someone install the app, you get paid. That's why we call it a CPA marketing, cost per action. You have your survey.com, that you pay. If someone takes survey with your link, you get paid $1. So that is how you research the market with Offerbot. If you are looking at affiliate offers, you click affiliate offers. So I want to show you something. Now, if you are looking for affiliate offers, you click affiliate offers. If you are looking for affiliate networks, like network to join to promote, you click affiliate networks. Then if you are looking for mobile offers, that those offers that you must target mobile only, you click mobile offers. Then if you are looking for pay per calls, you click pay per calls. Now pay per calls is also a form of CPA marketing that companies all over the world, especially in the United Kingdom, first world countries, they are looking for calls. They are looking for affiliate CPA marketers, those in the direct response and performance industry, to drive traffic to them. And when you click this link, when you have a register with a pay-per-call network, you are paid for every call being generated by you. So when you generate call, it is called inbound call. Then when the company call back for your customer that does it is called outbound call. So that is that for affiliate offer. So now this is still on Offerbot. And we are looking for, let's say we are looking for affiliate networks. We are going to click affiliate networks. We are going to click affiliate networks. Yeah, pretty much this is some a list of affiliate networks that pop up when I click that link. So you see here, this is a Max Web, Agro Affiliate, Max Bante, Top Offers, eLoco, Profit Social, Terrorist, and a whole bunch of affiliate networks that are coming up. You can see a bunch of them here. From here, like this, a bunch of affiliate networks that you can join. This is a bunch of affiliate networks that anyone can join from there. This is a bunch of affiliate networks. I want to change the color of this thing so that it will suit the presentation. So this is a bunch of affiliate networks that you can be joined. So that is that. We are going to move straight to, these are the bunch of affiliate networks. So we're going to move straight to that is affiliate network. So in case you want to join them, you click on a lemon and you read everything about the affiliate network before you join. Then if you're looking for mobile offers, you simply click on mobile offers. Then mobile offers will open. Then look at those offers that you can target mobile. These are some of the horoscope 2020, click to call, United Kingdom, astrology mobile, Amazon Music, $1, payer is $1. Just price iPhone 11 Pro, that's a sweepstake in the CC that when somebody submits credit card, you get paid, and that is $13. Norton Secure VPN, when somebody installs a VPN, you get paid $20. Empower Finance CPI, that's a cost per install. United States of America Instant is $7 USD, that's $7 United States dollar. Booty Games Zone, $0.15. Morocco MA, play movies, $0.00. So these are pretty much all the mobile offers that you can find. And then when you click on the mobile offers, I want to show you something. Now when you click these mobile offers, let me pick my pen tools. This is when you click on mobile offers, you see where they say payout. You see where they say payout. This is payout. You see where they say payout. You see where they say category. Then you see where they say network. Now, what it means is that under payout you can see the payout here. Then under categories, that means this is a mobile music and movie software. Then under the network, that means simply the affiliate network. Then when this offer is a Horoscope 2020 critical, the affiliate network is Lemon App. So if you are a member, if you have already registered for Lemon App, you can simply go to Lemon App and insert the name of this offer, and it will pop up. Then you join. So that is that for offer. But we're going to a deep dive into offer about later. So you consider subscribing to this channel so that you can get the latest video on affiliate marketing. And if you are new to my channel, you can hit me on WhatsApp below in the description of this video, and we can take things to the next level. I'm going to hold you by your hand and show you CPA marketing from scratch. I hate people charging you guys money to affiliate marketing. I'm going to teach you what I am doing. So now I am on Appaying.com. Appaying.com is one of the a website platform for you to research affiliate network also. So if you click on if you're on the website, pretty much you will see what's on here is that the first thing you see, one thing about them is they display the banner, the name of the affiliate network, and the review. You can see most of the affiliate network is doing 5-star, 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 5-star review. Then what are those affiliate network names? So this one is Office Social. It's an affiliate network. You can see the 23 reviews. They have 62 offers in-house by weekly pay, by weekly basis. That's they pay every 2 weeks. That by weekly they pay every 2 weeks. Then this is OGRs. These are all affiliate networks that you can join. This is top offers. This is top offers. This is Way Hunter. This is OGRs. This is Profit Social. A lot of affiliate on this is Natifico. So these are all a bunch of affiliate networks. So what you do that, if you see any affiliate network that you like, after going through the review, you must click the review and go through what's going on in the review. And if you like it, click join. Then you can enter here and simply search for. You can also enter here and search for affiliate networks. Let me just, for example, let me search for affiliate network. Let me just type my lead. You know what I like my lead is that anybody can get started, especially for newbies. If you're a newbie watching the video, you can get started into my lead and begin to earn immediately. So I click my lead. They say no offer found. Do you know why they say no offer found? Because I type it wrongly. It's supposed to be D, then I put F. So that's why they say no offer found. So let me put the real name, whether they have offers with my list. Let's see what will come up. Yeah, boom. We are there. We got it. So this is my list affiliate network. You can see my lead pretty much. They have a lot of reviews about. So let me zoom in so that you see what I'm saying. I don't want to be talking what is not real. This is my lead. You can see that my lead is a comprehensive affiliate network. So this is my lead is about 285 reviews. 285 reviews. That is my lead. They have how many offers? 1,758 offers on my lead. So pretty much you can just join the network that you like. So what you do there, if you are looking for offers, you click and search. You search for offers. Then if you want to see reviews of a network, you click reviews. If you want to look for offers, you click offers. Then if you want to read CPA marketing news, performance marketing network, then looking for resources like, if you're looking for resources, you click resources like, let me say, spy tools, networking tools, what's going on, what other affiliates are doing. You click on resources, techniques to make more money online. Then if you want to read what they are doing, you click on blog. So that is that for Appaying. I'm going to take you to another CPA marketing research network where you can do your marketing research. So this one is Appaying. Sorry, this one is AppBank, and pretty much I love them because of their idea. So this is AppBank. Say AppBank, go mad for affiliates. AppBank is your personal assistant in the world of affiliate marketing. We provide you with huge offer base, network directory, free spy tool, discount, and a lot more. So if you're looking for coupon codes, AppBank is a place for you to go and research for coupon codes. So pretty much this is AppBank. You can see there, I just zoom into AppBank to see what's going on. So these are all offers in AppBank. These are with the menu of AppBank. You can see here we have this is offers. We have all of this stuff. Discount. We have discount. We have offers, spy services. Spy services. If you want to look at what other affiliates are doing, so use spy services. So now I want to click on networks. Then under networks, we pretty much we have two offers under network. So under network, we have affiliate networks and advertising network. Then as an affiliate, traffic is very, very important. So you must talk about advertising network. Traffic is very important. These are bunch of advertising network, Everdapp, Push House, That's Push, Clicky, Propeller House, Mega Push Ad Now, GT maybe so all of these are bunches of advertising network. So you also click on the menu. You also click on the menu. When you click on menu, it will take you also to sorry, I don't know. So it will take you also to you click on affiliate network. You will see a bunch of affiliate networks to join. Then click on community. You want to interact with other affiliate events, like you've been to Affiliate World Asia and all those stuff, Affiliate World networking events where you actually meet your affiliate manager and CPA manager one-on-one. They talk to them, you challenge. You click on blog, you want to read what's going on in the industry. Spy services, you want to look at what other affiliates are doing, the landing page they are using, the conversion strategy, the image, the creative they are using, and stuff like that. So that's that for AppBank. You have a lot of to look at AppBank. So it's just a snip into what's going on in each of the marketing research website. So let me simply move to Odiga. So now I'm on Odiga. So on Odiga, this is Odiga. Odiga is one of the affiliate and CPA marketing research place where you do your marketing research before you dive into the network. So I want to click on all networks. So if you look at my screen here, you see a bunch on my screen here. We have just a bunch of affiliate network on Odiga. So what the implication is that when you click on that link, this place now, you click on affiliate network, you begin to look for affiliate network. Maybe you've heard of them. So in this case, affiliate network that I always recommend for anybody is MyLead, because they they have a lot of payment procedures, and so many things. I want to take water. So yes. So Gino, give me water. So now this is MyLead. You are going to select MyLead and click search. Yes, so pretty much search result for all affiliate offers. So these are all my leads. So pretty much look at crazy offers on my lead. That what amazes, what drags me to this network is that they're crazy offer. So this is a Groovy PA. That's PA simply means Poland. These are country abbreviations that you will learn. So consider subscribing to this channel, because I'll be teaching country abbreviations so that you get yourself acquainted with some of the country abbreviations. So this is Groovy PA. That's a PA simply means Poland. Then CPS simply means cost per se. This is here, you can see 5.60% on my lead. Network is my lead. The payout is 5.00%. Then Groovy, the niche here is e-commerce as a niche. E-commerce as a niche. Then clothing and ancestry jewelry, e-commerce as a niche. Added is on the September 21st, 2020. So all you consider that I'm updating my channels. So this is Pampers. PA, that Poland. CPS simply means what? Cost per lead. That when somebody register and submit his email, you get paid. This is Liberty Gold. Yeah, that niche is in the forex, financial market as a niche, forex as a niche. Profit formula, DK. That's DK, another country code. Then Denmark. D is stand for Denmark. This is a CPA. That is when somebody deposit, cost per action. Somebody must deposit money before you get paid, and the payout is 482.98 United States dollar. So that is that on Odiga. But that you have to search for affiliate networks. You just look for the network you are looking for. Then if you are looking for, you don't have the network you're looking for in mind, you can just simply come here and maybe say, I'm looking for affiliate network like Supplying affiliate, Supplying revenue. I'm going to type Supplying revenue. If they have offers in Supplying revenue, it will come. If they don't have, I go to another research marketplace and also search for what I'm looking for. Supplying revenue. Advertise here, so you can see that it's 0. So what I do is that I recommend you to sign up and with Odiga, sign up with AppBank, and sign up with almost all the affiliate research places that I've recommended so far. So finally, I'm going to show you the last voice in this business of affiliate market research, CPA marketing research, before we coin. And so pretty much you can see a sponsor post here. This is a bunch of CP marketing networks that have been listed on Applause. So you simply go to www.applause.com and you see what's going on. A lot of affiliate networks are here. You can see them. There are bunches of them here. Let me just pick my tools and then do a little highlight of all the tools. So these are all the bunches of affiliate networks. Yeah, the Revenue Lab, Paysafe, YouHolder, Crack Revenue, Mileage, Zap, Zedo, Profit Social. That one is in the dating and news. Agro affiliate. GGBet is a in-house Guru Media, Mobidium, private CPA, and stuff like that. So a lot of things are going on here. You can also look for. You can also search based on the now over the network. This is Bitcoin sub crypto engine network. 176 network are promoting that. Countries is in 254 countries. The vertical is about 867 verticals that are promoting that offer. No, there are 67 verticals that are available on Applause. That's what I mean. Sorry, it's not those that are promoting, but about 67 verticals are available on Applause as a market research place. So you can see the sponsor. This is what you get paid. All this money here is what you get paid. That means if you are promoting a Bitcoin shop, you are going to be paid $387 at every single registration and somebody deposit money. So you see that CPA marketing is a gold mine. It's a massive opportunity. So what are you waiting for, everyone? Today is a bit amazing. We look at what affiliate marketing is all how to research the affiliate network. Leadbit is in the dating niche, and pretty much they are doing well. This is Leadbit. They are doing well. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I will be uploading videos like this. So today we've looked at so many things, researching the affiliate marketing place with AppBank, AdBank.com, Odiga.com, Applause.com, AppPayne.com, and finally the big question in this industry is what I also respect them, because when you sign up with them, register your email every day, you're going to be getting updates in the performance marketing industry. So what's going on, everyone? Yeah, hit the subscribe button. I'll be dropping a video like this every time, teaching people how to make money with CPA marketing and allowing people the opportunity to live their own life and make more money on the internet. Thank you.